Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
If you've been hit with Error Code 1 in Fortnite, you are definitely not alone. It's a surprisingly common hiccup that can stop your game from launching or connecting properly. But don't let it keep you from your victory royale. We're going to dive into some straightforward steps you can take right now to get back into the game and eliminate that pesky error, helping you understand each fix clearly and simply. You know, sometimes the simplest solutions are the best ones. For Error Code 1, that often means a full restart. First, make sure Fortnite is completely closed down, not just minimized. Then, exit and restart your Epic Games launcher. If that doesn't work, give your entire system a full reboot. Power down your PC or console completely, wait about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. This can clear up many temporary software conflicts. One frequent culprit behind Error Code 1 is corrupted or missing game files. Fortunately, the Epic Games launcher has a super helpful tool for this. Just go to your library, find Fortnite, click the three dots next to it and select Verify. The launcher will then scan all your game files, identify anything broken, and automatically download the correct versions. This process can take a few minutes, but it's often a very effective fix for those integrity issues. Your network connection plays a huge role in online games, and an unstable internet can definitely cause Error Code 1. If you're on Wi-Fi, try connecting your device directly to your router with an Ethernet cable for a more stable signal. Another smart move is changing your DNS server. You can switch to a public DNS like Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1. This can sometimes resolve connection issues by improving how your computer finds game servers. If you've tried all these steps and Error Code 1 is still haunting you, a complete reinstallation of Fortnite is your next best option. Fully uninstall the game from your system, then download and install it fresh from the Epic Games launcher. If even after all this, the error code still pops up, it's time to reach out to Epic Games support directly. They can provide more specific help and investigate deeper into your particular issue, ensuring you get back to enjoying Fortnite soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.